Have you ever wondered what would happen if you tried to survive on every planet in our solar system? The truth is far more terrifying than you can imagine.
The first barrier is called the event horizon. Cross it, and there's no turning back. From the outside, it looks like a sphere of darkness surrounded by a glowing halo of gas and stars being ripped apart. If a human ever fell into a black hole, they would experience something terrifying called spaghettification. Your body would stretch like a noodle, pulled apart by extreme tidal forces long before reaching the core. At the very heart lies the singularity, a point smaller than an atom, yet holding infinite density. Here, the laws of physics as we know them break down. Time, space, and matter collapse into something we cannot yet explain.
But what if this singularity is not an end, but a doorway? Some scientists believe black holes may connect to other universes. Others think they could be portals through time, or storage vaults of cosmic information holding the history of everything that has ever fallen inside. The truth is, no one knows for sure what's inside a black hole. It remains the greatest mystery of the universe, a place where science ends and imagination begins. So the question remains, what will humanity discover the day we finally look inside?